the other side of the path. And very few plants. You see, if you look over there, there's very few. Sea lavender over there. A lot of saltgrass.
A lot of saltgrass.
A lot of sea blight. California candy. It's alkaline. That's what they have that sign over there. It says.
Right. Yeah, I've seen that.
And they have a lot of different cool plants over there.
There's like evening primrose.
Oh, yeah, the primrose, and there's a bunch of nice plants in the back there. I especially like the ambrosia. That's nice.
Oh yeah,
There's
yeah.
another plant, like where that purple flag
And the
is.
poppies.
There's a nice plant over there that's rare. The purple flag is.
Right.
It's dead now because it's like these. A lot of these plants are annuals, and that thing's died for this year. It'll be back next year.
Okay.
It's a rare plant. But if you look, this is the biggest population I know in the county of these endangered plants that birds speak.
Oh.
Everyone's very proud of them, so we're trying to help them.
I see. Well, thank you so much for talking with me.
Oh, sure.
All right. Thanks for protecting the area. Looks like devastation for me. All for this new bridge project. What a world, what a world. I don't know, I always thought they looked cool. And the animals seem to think they're cool, I guess. But maybe they are a weed. I don't know. Am I being a bad person? Am I being like a Greenpeacer? They're like tearing up the land. Just they're gonna keep going. I just don't see how that is. Look at these little birdies. Like, this is the only protected area, like this little teeny little strip, and now it's still being interfered with. Like, we know better, right? Yeah, birdies. We know better. We don't know. You guys don't know. Plants don't know. We know. And Ewing irrigation products know. But apparently that's just because, you know, that's the kind of flag that was available, was the one with this company name on it. See, these birds are watching them tear up the land. Do you see them? See that giant sandpiper? Beautiful. Yeah, now they're coming for you. They're coming for you, little guy. Tearing up the weeds. You think it'll be better? The soil is so delicate, like the crust, you know? See, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Let's go read the sign that talks about the preserve so we can learn more. Okay, I'm gonna walk through the weeds. save the little wispy grasps. Didn't look like those were being saved by those dudes. Alright, this is what it says. Approaching Wildlife Preserve. We got the City of San Diego, State of California, Exemplar Vigilance. Okay. Some happy sandpipers that don't exist anymore because we're ripping their shit out. Okay. Some flat earth. And dogs need to be under your control. Please do not allow dogs to chase birds. Harassment of migratory birds is against federal law. And then we got San Diego Park and Recreation Department, America's Finest, with some more flat earth dome symbolization. And it is duplicated over here. Huh. Those red ones are not on the plants that need to be ripped out over here. Whatever. At least I didn't get that guy's face on the camera, because you know I don't want to. He's doing his job. Everybody's doing their job, being good little worker bees. Let's go take some more beaten path, or off beaten path. So apparently this one is good lavender, sea lavender, but the one right next to it is bad sea lavender. Huh. Totally different looking plants. I thought the quote-unquote bad sea lavender always looked like those little old school things that you clean the bottoms of your shoes off of on, you know, like you'd rub the mud off your boots like a bristle brush, but it like sits on the ground. And see, there's these little spiral snails, and a lot of times if I creep up, but see, the ground's really moist, and we're right next to some. So this is saltwater marsh, so it's a mixture of fresh water and salt water. It's called brackish water. But a lot of times, it might not be the right time, but there's little crabbies that live. But for a while, see if they'll come out. What is this? Oh no, that's a good time. He's such a sweet little succulent crab. Oh my gosh, here we go in the sauce. Now flour, I add just a dab. Now I stuff you with bread. It don't hurt because you're dead, and you're certainly lucky you are. 'Cause it's gonna be hot in my big silver pot. Yellow butterfly. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Thank you, butterfly. Don't worry, they're saving you. They're running out the weeds. California at its best. Or the new bridge project. They're just gonna ruin it all. We don't even know what plants are gonna go in. I don't even know. I haven't even read that part of the plan. Well, I guess I'm just being a bee, yo. Aphrodite needs to protect her freaking marsh, saltwater marsh. Don't be. This is like dried like hair. It's cool. Alright, well, there goes nature. Sayonara. Sayonara.